How to disconnect YouTube TV from your phone. Now, the first thing that you want to do is to make sure that your YouTube TV account is linked and logged in via your phone and from your smart TV. Now, for it to automatically log out to all the multiple devices, specifically from your smart TV, is very easy. So you just want to do first is just to open up your YouTube TV application via your mobile phone, and the next thing you do is usually it is located at the top left portion of your screen. So this is where you can check if you're logged into your account. So it is kind of like a general YouTube account that you can see. For example, your name is John, so your profile picture is actually be indicated as the abbreviation of your first name, which is gonna only be shown as letter as J. So what you want to do is to tap on your profile picture and then just hit on sign out. And then it will automatically log out from all of the devices where your YouTube TV account was logged in. And that's it. That's how you disconnect YouTube TV from phone.